In this tutorial demonstration, we will create a very simple slideshow using still images. So we're starting with a new project. Let's go to Track, Add Image, and here's the first image. Now I'm going to want these to be a little bit longer than 1 second, which is the default. So let's go to Section Options, and let's change that to, let's say, 3 seconds. You'll notice save this time as default time for any new image sections. Let's click on that so we don't have to keep changing the duration. Okay, now let's go back to Track, Add Image, and let's add this image. We'll go to Track, Add Image, select the second. Okay, that can be a little bit tiresome. It's great to be able to get the images in, but there happens to be a faster way to do it. This is Windows Explorer. I'm resizing it so I can work in our space. And right here are the images. Now, let me pull this to the side. Watch what happens when I click with the left mouse button on that image, drag it. You see the little plus sign? That means this program is sophisticated enough that it will accept the image. Then we'll go to the next image, next image, next image, next image. So you can just drag from your Windows Explorer the images. Now let's click the Go button and see what it looks like. There's one image, next image, and it just clicks from one to the other. No transitions, very simple to do, and it gets the job done. Alright, now if you want to put a title in here, which we neglected to do, you can either add a title using the program's built-in caption system, or you can import one. I'm going to import one. To do that, I'm going to create a new track and then add video, and I'm going to add a title that I made in Windows Movie Maker. I don't need that soundtrack, so I'll get rid of it. And I won't need that track, so I'm going to get rid of that for the moment. So here is my title. I need to move those to the right so that the title isn't covering up the first image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, holding the Shift key down, click on each of those items. Then when I right click, instead of Move Section, I have Move Group. I click on Move Group. I happen to know that my title is 3.9999 seconds long. So I'm going to set this to 3.8. So it moves everything over so that the very beginning starts at 3.8. Now if we watch what this has done, Here's the title, and now our video. Okay, that gives us pretty much everything we need to create a slideshow. If you want to use a voiceover, we have another tutorial that discusses how to record your own voiceover using the MQ Multiquence. Or if you want to import some music that you've captured from one thing or another, you just go to Track, New, Track, Add Audio. So I'm just going to open this MP3 file, and there we have it. Now I like to keep my sound at the bottom, so I just grab by left click and then move this title track and put it up here, and then the music is down below. So now when we click play, we have a music track in the back. Okay, that's one very simple, straightforward method for producing a slideshow using images. You saw how you could add the images either through Track, Add Image, or how you could utilize the drag and drop feature from Windows Explorer and just grab one of the images and drop it onto the workbench for the MQ program. Right, hope this has been helpful.